all done by machines. See? These two sanitation workers just stand by and watch. In no time, the ground is leveled, and the debris is scooped into a bag. Next up is removing the manhole cover. Notice how everything is machine-operated? No need for manual labor, just observe. Once the hoist is ready, they start dismantling the cover. A few quick moves, and boom, the little cover is off. The worker just needs to lightly brush off the surface dirt. Then the driver brings over the big metal ring, checks the fit, and goes back to find another one.